Alaikum po.
Waalaikumsalam.
Ma'am, manjari ka mo pakilala?
Ako si Enrique Casma, Julkanain, Barangay North Lao.
And sir, manjari ka mo magpakilala, sir?
Former.
Ako si Hadia Palaw, and Julkanain, Umel, Vice Mayor, Umel Barangay, Chairman of Barangay North Lao, Sunod, Philippines.
Wow, so pwede po pakisabi sa amin ano yung mga kahalan nyo mari pa barangay, ano mga inusasin rayat nyo mari?
Inusasin rayat na mo, magbingit-bingit, magtinda, grocery, iwan mga sari-sari, sibi-sibi yaon. Ganito, magpalawod sila.
So, ano pag-maintain nyo sa peace and order, mali pa barangay, you see it that very visible, hindi pa't yung minsan dumiyan na sila magtyaga. So, ano ginahinang ninyo para ma-maintain peace and order, ibang drug-free barangay na baka mo, mali?
Hininahon na mo, atin niya, nagpagtyaga sila, lisag walo, palisag ang putag isa, magtyaga ba't way sugarol, way roon magdasinapang, way magdunggo taumangi, mga busayam, peaceful in North Lao.
So, drug-free barangay na kamo biyaon. Drug-free barangay na kamo.
Way pa isab. Way pa isab kasi na drug-free. Pasalan, mahunit kami drug-free hon, pasalan. In kararatuman sin mga dahil pakanya kauman, di ha North Lao kasi center ini sin one. Mahunit kami mag-drugs free.
And then, awan ka mo school, Marie, sa North Lawood?
Awan, kuwan. Amon North Lao, yaon, tungkol municipal. Iban sindiker na mo, ito atas barangay.
So, ano yung mga support na ginadihal nyo pa school, sa students, mga mastal?
Oo. Support kami.
Manjari mo kami si Suy Cam, A-Star, ano yung mga support na nadihal nyo kanila?
Support dihil na mo kanila, pag ang magkangihatog nila, itong si school, maghinang sin mga pagtambayan sin mga parents, iwan sin mga uno-uno, mga CR, uno-uno in kailangan nila mga sound system, ako mag-produce kanila.
So, ma'am, awan ka mo health center, Marie?
Health center?
Oo.
Ay.
Sa awan ka mo RHU?
RHU yan, RHU.
So, ano ginahinang nyo in case of emergency sin riot nyo? Ano ginahinang nyo?
Pwede ma'am?
In case of emergency sa mga riot nyo, ano ginahinang nyo?
Awang kami sa sakatan pagdahan kanila pasok, bangon sila emergency. Awang kami pag magtawag mali pa emergency.
So, unang adlaw paglano sin barangay nyo, mag-clean up drive ka mo?
Ano ito ma'am?
Unang adlaw ka mo maglano sin barangay nyo?
Maglano? Adlaw kami maglano. O maglalano, kaya na mo. Barangay hall.
So, manjari pa si barangay, ano pa yung mga tabang na dihil nyo, parayat nyo, ano pa nang hinang nyo?
Inay na kami tabang, awang tao matay, magtabang kami, awang tao mga ma-hospital, at mga nangangailangan, magtabang kami, kanila may tabangan naman.
Ano pa?
Mga danila, way kami magparayaw, di halaw mo sin, amon sakop sin barangay namin.
Yun da. So, ano kabihan nyo pa sampay, pa mayor ta? Kasuy-suy nyo?
Suy-suy kung
Pa mayor.
Magpasampay ang pa mayor.
Yes po.
Na magsarang supor kaniya, hati niya, for support sila kamo, in mayor na mo. Uno-uno in problema na mo, bang kaya na mo isang, kaya na mo, nabang di na mo kaya, magtabang kayo sabi mayor kamo, bang kami mga yung tabang.
Kay Governor kay Kong.
Na in governor, na magsarang supor dahil sa kaniya, magtabang dahil sa mali kamo pa barangay na mo. In Kong, mataod na hospital di kamo, maray mga 7 na, nakapangayo kami tabang kaniya.
So, ano yung pasampay pa bar, government? Aun pa kabayaan nyo pangayoon kanila?
Napangayoon na mo, adyan pa bar. Aun kami sila hirihil kamo project. Kasi way pa kami kirihilan minsan uno project. Ding bar. Na pangayoon na mo isa, baka din niya, sana magnihil sila kamo project sa Barangay North Lao.
Okay. And then, awan ka mo kabay pasampay kay President Bongbong Marcos, even kay Vice Presidente Inday Sara?
Namaribay na Senate. Mayroon na ipasampay na mo kanila.
Kay Vice Mayor Apalal, awan ka mo additional, pasampay pa BARM government, even pa President ng Philippines?
Puno ipasampay mo pa mga BARM. Magpasampay ko sinarastre mo. Pila years na natin dahil nga kuwan pa. Dahil nga national paharap pa. Pa-arm pa BARM, kasi namayan ka.
Kung yung mentionin ni Kathy Arati Operato.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for the BARM leader that he can extend another year for my license.
Aside from that, meron pa po additional?
Ako pa additional mo?
For the national government, for the President of the Philippines?
Ako na additional mo kay Bongbong Marcos, ako kawi pasampay ha, Vice President.
Bongbong Marcos, I regret very much the late President Ferdinand E. Marcos was branded as the brain of the corridor massacre. But the fact when Bongbong Marcos was I don't ignore him. I do not care about that, but only I have heard our brother from the Cotabato Lanao, but they are related to the victims of the corridor massacre. And I am debated, like Professor Joe Canay, Joe Canay, my brother, Parano Joe Canay, the son of my elder brother, Abdullah Joe Canay, my first cousin, Long Aday, my first cousin, and Nangkalimutin, my second cousin, ipapunta my nephew, and I'm sure kung hindi mo lang ihon nyo atin. There are 9 boys from Chiasi were massacred. But the fact I have outed with the prison during that incident. But nothing had done. We were taken only for imprinted in Zamboanga Airport, airbase. We were given 5,000 pesos, but we really counted, we arrived here, 3,000, maybe somebody had for some of the peso here. So thank you for the present president that they can continue to update the relatives of the victims and give them some other extra income for our business.
And for Vice President Inday Sara?
Kay Inday Sara ko no. Ano pag-thank you mo kay Inday Sara?
Inday Sara, di ba? When Duterte ran for president, we went to Davao. We appreciated the Duterte family. So appreciation for Inday Sara for Vice President. Do I have that need her? So thank you very much. That may Allah bless her and more like to give it.
Wala. Okay na po.
Okay na.
Peso, telegram, but was not until.
So you wrote to the president, the late President Ferdinand Marcos, but it wasn't answered. No.
We were even invited to go to Malacanang. And I want to know the speaker during that meeting. At that time, he was the kabisa di barangay. Wala pang panyan, barangay chairman. Kabisa di barangay, there was no massacre, but only there was a simple mutiny. Mr. President, if there was been simple mutiny, we all know the caliber of those skilled boys. Wala siyang nasabi. Pagkatapos, sabi, punta mo si General, yung General at that time, we have even a picture, into Aguinaldo. When we went there, he told us the story that he was about to meet an accident when he piloted the paper cab. General, we did not send by the president to listen to the story when you were about to meet an accident when you drive the paper cab. We were only advised by the president to give us shed light of the incident, the so-called corridor massacre. I will advise you, you go back to Sulu and go to Karingan. What we are going to do to Karingan?
Karingan Tapul. Ha?
Oh, Karingan Tapul. And instead of doing that, we just go back home. Then after that, we were called by the president to Zamboanga and gave us Borealis Princess. 5,008 boys. But we many counted the money. We knew arrived 3,000, 4,500, 4,500, 3,000, something like that. Because there are 16 boys, Sulu boys were massacred. In Siasi there are 9. The 7 were my relative, 2 were my brother, 2 were my first cousin, and 2, one more my nephew, and one is my second cousin. There are 7 of them who were massacred. But until now, I did not read anything.
Okay.
During the administration, you know, Admiral siya bong yung Admiral na Chopum. Ha?
Echeverria?
Echeverria.
Echeverria?
Bukun. Iksibir. Amo rin nagkapit.